Today, let's take a deep dive into one of the most talked about classic revivals of the year, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This sleek and stylish coupe, originally born in the mid-20th century, is making a big return with a modern twist. Volkswagen has reimagined the Karmann Ghia with 21st century tech, safety, and performance, while staying true to the artistic lines and charm of the original. So let's break it all down for you. From the exterior design to the interior, vibe, performance specs, safety features, pricing, and overall value. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is simply breathtaking. Volkswagen has done an exceptional job of blending retro elegance with futuristic styling. The silhouette still pays homage to the original coupe, complete with those soft flowing lines, rounded front fenders, and a gracefully sloped rear end. However, everything is sharper and more refined now. The front fascia features a sleeker LED lighting setup with a more modern grille treatment, while the rear boasts minimalist taillights and a clean bumper design that maintains the coupe's classic spirit. It sits low to the ground, giving it a proper sports coupe stance, and comes with multiple wheel design options ranging from elegant 17-inch chrome-trimmed alloys to sportier 19-inch blacked-out rims. The color palette includes a beautiful mix of nostalgic pastels, like mint green and baby blue, alongside metallic reds, matte blacks, and even a few dual-tone options with white roofs. The result is a car that makes a statement wherever it goes, refined, tasteful, but still full of attitude. Moving on to the interior, the 2025 Karmann Ghia continues to impress. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by a clean premium cabin that evokes both nostalgia and modern sophistication. Volkswagen has made sure that retro doesn't mean outdated. The dashboard takes design cues from the original Ghia, with its wide, minimalist layout and circular vents. But now it's wrapped in soft-touch materials, leatherette trims, and customizable, ambient lighting. At the center is a high-resolution 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment display with VW's latest MIB4 software, offering crisp navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and voice command support. The digital driver's cluster is equally sharp, offering multiple display modes, including one that mimics vintage analog gauges for those who like that old-school feel. The seats, available in rich leather or eco-friendly recycled materials, are ergonomic and stylish with available heating, ventilation, and memory functions. A contrasting color stitch option really elevates the overall design. Rear seats are small, as expected in a 2+2 coupe, but the front row is spacious and comfortable even for taller drivers. The cargo space is modest, but there's a hidden trunk in electric versions that adds a bit of practicality to this coupe. Now let's talk performance, because the new Karmann Ghia isn't just about looking good. VW is offering the 2025 model with two drivetrain options, a turbocharged 2.0L inline-4 gasoline engine, and a fully electric version based on the MEB platform. The gasoline model pushes out around 240 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque, mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission. It's quick and responsive, reaching 0-60 mph in just under 6.2 seconds, with a top speed near 140 mph. The handling is tight and composed, thanks to a sport-tuned suspension and a lightweight body. Steering feedback is precise and it feels nimble through corners, exactly what you'd want in a stylish coupe. The electric version, on the other hand, is smoother and more futuristic. Powered by a single rear motor producing 210 HP, it offers instant torque and a 0-60 time of around 6.5 seconds. Range estimates are around 270 to 300 miles on a single charge, depending on driving habits and wheel size. Fast charging capabilities allow for 80% recharge in about 25-30 minutes. This version rides even quieter and provides a more refined experience, perfect for city cruising or weekend road trips. In terms of safety, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is loaded with modern technology. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, and a surround view camera system. Higher trims include park assist, semi-autonomous driving functions for highway travel, and a head-up display. Volkswagen's safety record and crash test results have historically been strong, and the Karmann Ghia is expected to receive high marks from both NHTSA and IIHS once official tests are completed. The structure of the car is reinforced with high-strength steel, and both combustion and EV variants come with multiple airbags and pedestrian impact protection. Now for the big question, pricing. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is priced competitively for what it offers. The base gasoline model starts around $36,000, which includes most of the essential features and a manual transmission. The DSG automatic adds around $2,500. Mid-range trims with more tech and upgraded interiors come in around $40,000, $43,000. The fully electric variant starts closer to $44,000, with the top trim with full leather, panoramic roof, and autonomous driving features going up to $52,000. It's not a budget car, but given the blend of heritage styling, performance, modern tech, and safety, it feels like a fair deal, especially compared to similarly priced sport coupes or entry-level EVs. Finally, looking at the overall value and impression, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is more than just a nostalgic revival. It's a thoughtfully designed coupe that manages to celebrate Volkswagen's past while stepping confidently into the future. Whether you opt for the gas-powered or electric version, you're getting a head-turning car that's fun to drive, loaded with features, and built with German precision. It's not trying to compete with raw sports cars like the Mustang GT or Toyota GR86. This is more of a lifestyle car. It appeals to people who appreciate design, want a dash of performance, and crave something different from the cookie-cutter crossovers and sedans that flood today's roads. You could call it a modern classic, elegant, efficient, and emotionally satisfying. If you're a fan of timeless design, modern tech, and a car that feels special every time you drive it, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia should definitely be on your radar. Whether you're cruising along the coast, pulling up to a cafe, or just heading to work, this car adds a little magic to your everyday life.